top real estate broker, #1 real estate broker in my marketplace. It's 2009, and I'm in the middle of the Great Recession. I found that I just had clients on the daily walking into my office asking so many legal questions. You see, I just want to paint that picture for a brief second. It was November 2009. Lehman Brothers had crashed, right? All right, so we had that major financial downfall. Folks were losing jobs left and right, and everyone's upside down on mortgages. Obviously the opposite of what's happening right this second, right? But I had clients that came to me for advice because I was their fiduciary. You see, they trusted me with their largest purchase in life, so obviously they're going to seek me for financial advisement, right? And so what happened is I started having clients asking questions. Do I short sell? Do I loan mod? Will my HOA allow for me to rent my home in my neighborhood? And to be perfectly honest with you, I don't have a law degree. I have a math degree. So by law in the state of North Carolina, I'm not allowed to answer those legal questions. And I'm going to be honest with you, I felt like I was between a rock and a hard place. It really hurt my heart that I had no help, no hand to hand out to my real estate clients who I cared for, who became my family, to say, hey, I can help you or I can direct you in this way, right? So what happened, I said a prayer, and a few weeks later, Larry Gregory, who is a retired golf professional, walks into my real estate office with hot pink pants on, right, polo, and is like, let me share something with you that your clients probably need. That's where I am today. I was able to share this amazing service with my real estate clients, and I'm so excited to share this viewpoint with you today. I realize that the marketplace is completely different, but I think you're going to find that it's still just as relevant today in today's market, regardless of the market conditions, as it was 15 years ago.